So here I have the walking cane from RMS. I'm going to go through some of the frequently asked questions I saw, which was, is there something that comes with the cane that keeps it folded while you're not using it? The second question I saw is, what heights is this cane suitable for? And then the third question is, how stable it is. So I'm about 200 pounds, so I'll put all my weight on it and we'll see how it works. We'll do a little bit of a demo with it. But for the first question, is there something that keeps it folded? So yes, it does come with a plastic piece that goes on there, and it's really easy. Whenever you're ready to use it, you can easily just slide it right off, and now you can put the cane together in just seconds. It also comes with a carrying case as well, and this is going to be what the carrying case looks like, so you know what you're going to be getting with it. But now for that second question is, what height is this cane suitable for? So to find out the height, all you need to do is take whatever height you are. So let's say if you're 6 feet tall, that's gonna be 72 inches. You just divide that by 2, and that's gonna be about the height you should use for your cane. So 72 inches, if you're 6 feet tall, divided by 2, your cane should be about 36 inches. And this cane goes from, I believe, 34 inches to 38 inches. So you kind of just have to do the math yourself, and that'll tell you whether this cane is suitable for you or not. And now for the last question, which is this stable? So I'm 200 pounds. I'm gonna move the camera down. I'm gonna put all my weight on it, throw it all on there. We'll see how it works. It's supposed to hold up to 250 pounds, so it should have no problem with me. All right, so I got the camera down there. Hopefully you can see it. I'm putting all my weight on there. Like I said, I'm 200 pounds. And it's holding me perfectly. It doesn't matter, if I'm pushing whatever way, it's able to support my weight. So overall, this cane's, a great bang for your buck. It comes with the carrying case, comes with a, something to keep it folded. So if you need a cane in your car, at home, or whatever, I think this will be a great option for you.